Hello folks, Wade McKelvey with Moving at the Speed of Wealth. Folks, I think we finally have gone insane. I mean absolutely insane. Not only do we want you to come to our webinars, we want you to come so bad that we're going to bribe you to get there. First of all, our students, when they follow our techniques and strategies, average between 17 and 75% annualized returns. If that's not good enough, here's what we're going to do. Between now and the 1st of December, we are giving away free home sites. Free home site in Central Tennessee. Now these are valued right now to $25,000 and they're steadily appreciating. So you're going to want to sign up for a webinar. Not only will you learn great, wonderful, unbelievable techniques and strategies, but you got a chance to win this home site. So to sign up for a webinar and to keep coming back to our webinars, I want you to go to speedofwealthevents.com. That's speedofwealthevents.com. Keep checking them out monthly or weekly, and you'll see what webinars. I'm sure there's going to be one that appeals to you. Again, speedofwealthevents.com. We'll see you there.